Oxoacids of sulfur. Sulfur forms a number of oxoacids such as H2SO3, H2S2O3, H2S2O4, H2S2O5, H2SXO6. X can be from 2 to 5. H2SO4, H2S2O7, H2SO5, H2S2O8. Some of these acids are unstable and cannot be isolated. They are known in aqueous solution or in the form of their salt. Structure of some important oxoacids are shown in figure 7.8. Sulfuric acid manufacture. Sulfuric acid is one of the most important industrial chemicals worldwide. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by the contact process, which involves three steps: burning of sulfur or sulfide ores in air to generate SO2, conversion of SO2 to SO3 by the reaction with oxygen in presence of a catalyst V2O5, and absorption of SO3 in H2SO4 to give oleum H2S2O7. A flow diagram for the manufacture of sulfuric acid is shown in figure 7.7. The SO2 produced is purified by removing dust and other impurities such as arsenic compounds. The key step in the manufacture of H2SO4 is the catalytic oxidation of SO2 with O2 to give SO3 in presence of V2O5 catalyst. The reaction is exothermic, reversible, and the forward reaction leads to a decrease in volume. Therefore, low temperature and high pressure are the favorable conditions for maximum yield. But the temperature should not be very low, otherwise rate of reaction will become slow. In practice, the plant is operated at pressure of 2 bar and at a temperature of 720 Kelvin. SO3 gas from the catalytic converter is absorbed in concentrated H2SO4 to produce oleum. Dilution of oleum with water gives H2SO4 of the desired concentration. In the industry, two steps are carried out simultaneously to make the process a continuous one and also to reduce the cost. The sulfuric acid obtained by contact process is 96 to 98% pure. Properties: sulfuric acid is a colorless, dense, oily liquid with a specific gravity of 1.84 at 298 Kelvin. The acid freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. It dissolves in water with evolution of a large quantity of heat. Hence, care must be taken while preparing sulfuric acid solution from concentrated sulfuric acid. The concentrated acid must be added slowly into water with constant stirring. The chemical reactions of sulfuric acid are as a result of the following characteristics: low volatility, strong acidic character, strong affinity for water, and ability to act as an oxidizing agent. In aqueous solution, sulfuric acid ionizes in two steps. H2SO4 aqueous plus H2O liquid gives H3O plus aqueous plus HSO4 minus aqueous. Ka1 is equal to very large, Ka1 greater than 10. HSO4 minus aqueous plus H2O liquid gives H3O plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. Ka2 is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Larger value of Ka1 greater than 10 means that H2SO4 is largely dissociated into H plus and HSO4 minus. Greater the value of dissociation constant Ka, the stronger is the acid. Acid forms two series of salt, normal sulfates such as sodium sulfate and copper sulfate, and acid sulfate, example sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sulfuric acid, because of its low volatility, can be used to manufacture more volatile acids from their corresponding salts. 2Mx plus H2SO4 gives 2HX plus M2SO4, where X can be fluorine, chlorine, and nitrogen trioxide. M is metal. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Many wet gases can be dried by passing them through sulfuric acid. provided the gas do not react with the acid. Sulfuric acid removes water from organic compounds. It is evident by its charring action on carbohydrates. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is a moderately strong oxidizing agent. In this respect, it is intermediate between phosphoric acid and nitric acids. Both metals and nonmetals are oxidized by concentrated sulfuric acid, which is reduced to SO2. Uses: sulfuric acid is a very important industrial chemical. A nation's industrial strength can be judged by the quantity of sulfuric acid it produces and consumes. It is needed for the manufacture of hundreds of other compounds and also in many industrial processes. The bulk of sulfuric acid produced is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, example ammonium sulfate, superphosphate. Other uses are in A. Petroleum refining, B. Manufacture of pigments, paints and dyestuff intermediates, C. Detergent industry, D. Metallurgical applications, example cleansing metals before enameling, electroplating and galvanizing, E. Storage batteries, F. In the manufacture of nitrocellulose products and G. As a laboratory reagent.